AI is taking over the world, y'all. They are taking over the world. AI companies will pay to watch you cook and clean. That's right. You cook, you clean, and AI basically will pay you. These AI robotic companies, they will pay you to do what you do to train their robots. Are you willing to do something like this? Let me just tell you what it is real quick, all right? AI and robotic companies are basically dropping some serious money, and we're talking about anywhere from $10 to $150 an hour just for you, that's right, you to film yourself handling your business around the house. No game, no gimme. You just say, hey, I want to cook, I want to clean, I want to show how to open up a door handle, you name it, they will show you how to do it, if that makes sense. They're putting out calls for first person videos of everyday routines like cooking, cleaning, and doing laundry. Now, why are they doing this? Because they said this is the future. Humanoid robots need a real deal. They just need it. They need the real deal. And they say high quality data to train their AI models. The only way to get the high quality data is through you. If you film it, they can train their information because watching YouTube videos is just not where it's at. So unlike software AI that can just browse the internet, they can't train off of that. These physical robots need to learn how a human moves, grips a pot, or folds a towel with precision. So yeah, the robotics game is growing and is growing fast, and they just need your help. And these startups are ready to pay you for this specialized, fresh training data. And you can low key get a nice little side hustle going just by doing your own chores or cooking, which you are already going to do anyway. So that's basically what it is. Now, this is how it works. If you want that big money, the ones that pay up to $150, basically they're looking for people that are doing like things with surgical equipment, intricate craftsmanship, or even like repairs. Think of fixing jewelry or working on a clock, repair or detailed electrical work, anything that requires a steady hand. You got to have some experience to be able to do all of that, right? And operating specialized tools. There's also some fun things here because he's got some specialized tools that he uses with that woodworking, right? He could be making $150 an hour. Operating complex machinery, filming tasks involving industrial equipment, technical diagnosis, and any process that demands advanced or non-standard operating procedures. Now, while basic cooking is low end, but preparing an advanced multi-step meal that requires expert knife work, plating, or baking techniques might get you closer to that $150 an hour. But now, if you want something that's about $50 an hour, something like that, simple meal prep, like chopping vegetables, stirring, or moving a pot, not a gourmet meal, but teaching the robots the motion of cooking, doing laundry, like separating the lights from the darks, loading the machine, or folding simple items like towels. It's an object manipulation and recognition. Cleaning basic motions like wiping down a counter, sweeping, or running a vacuum cleaner. Opening doors, showing how to turn a doorknob, pulling a handle, or sliding a door open. Now, for the medium end money, that's like assembling furniture, putting together something with a few parts, like a small shelf or a basic table that requires following instructions and coordinating multiple parts. Fine motor household tasks, things like pouring liquid without spilling it, carefully organizing a messy drawer, or taking something small out of a tight space. Specialized sorting, going beyond darks and lights to sorting clothes by material, by organizing pantry items by date and type. All of this can be done for $50 and up. Is this something that you would consider dealing with? Would you do this? Would you train an AI robot to learn tasks? That's my question that I have for you. 1, yes, cut the check. 2, I don't believe this is wise. 3, if I don't, someone else will. 4, I won't train it, but I will buy it. Or 5, This AI stuff is too much. I'm tired of it all. 1 through 5, let me know in the comments. Would you train an AI robot to learn tasks? Revis, talk to me, man.
Man, look at here. Cut my check. I'm just saying, hey, it's coming anyway. It's gonna be here. Somebody else gonna do it. So I might as well go ahead and get paid for doing it. So hey, I'm with it. But we got some people that's in the chat, like hit the spot 1006 that likes to cook, and she's not going to embrace this because she feel like she already said hell no. And then you got awesome fun thing with the woodworking. And man, look at here, we got some talented people in here that can get paid off their craft now.
Yeah.
Now I'm not gonna teach them how to drive a truck already. I ain't trying to replace myself. I'm just saying.
Okay, feel you. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, something happened with the things. I don't believe this is wise. And I think we got some 1s and some 3s. Somebody said, now I don't know what's going on over here. But here's the scary part about all of this, right? And I'm not trying to be funny. People are going to want to buy these robots because you and I have seen at CES, at Unveiled, where they were literally folding clothes. The robot was folding the clothes, right? Who would not want something like that? But they need to be able to separate the darks and the whites to be able to wash. What about an actual human just walking around in your home like a Rosie? Remember the Jetsons? Do you not think that this would not be ideal? But somebody's got to train it and you can get paid. So if you don't do it, someone else will. Now, I'm not telling you that I'm okaying this, and I'm not saying this is right or this is wrong. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying Rosie and the Jetsons was cartoons, but cartoons have now started to turn into real life. That's the way I look at it. So that's where we're at. And I don't know, man. Awesome Fun Thing says, I need to buy an army of robots. Okay, when you say an army of robots, Awesome Fun Things, what does that look like to you? Make it real quick. Let me know in the comments real quick. What is an army of robots? Like, do you have someone like a robot washing your car, making up your bed, or you need them to do all the woodworking, right? What would that look like for you? Real quick, Awesome Fun Things. Let me see. Sheila Baker, I think she says, I won't train it, but I will buy it. So why would you buy it? Sheila Baker, Lisa Maria, why would you buy it? Or are you saying, no, if I don't, someone else will? What are your thoughts? Real quick. I think this technology is growing so fast. And we've been talking about AI for about 2 years now, right, Revis? And I've been saying this stuff is coming in. Now you're starting to see it come. And every week, every 2 weeks, every month, there's something here. And I know a lot of people do not want to embrace it. Unfortunately, I had to deal with AAA this week, and they even had AI baked in to the text messages with AAA. And they were giving me misinformation, which frustrated me. But at the same token, it's coming and we got to embrace it. Now, you can say I don't want it, but humanoid robots probably will be a thing in about 5 years or less. Awesome Fun Thing says he needs at least 12 robots to help him take over the world and cook. Oh my God. Awesome Fun Thing.
Oh my goodness.
Well, with his brain over there, he probably could take over the world, and I would not be mad at it.
Yeah, he sounds like Marvin Martian.
Look, Hit the Spot 1006 says she's talking about our AAA experience, and she says, and it got everything wrong. Yes, it did. It did get everything wrong. We had to actually call AAA and say, hey, why is it saying that the job was completed and no one came out? That really frustrated me. So I'm just letting you know this stuff does happen. So AI is not perfect. It's just look at it like this. Wherever it is today, this is the worst that it can get. But now it's asking you to help train it. Is that something that you would be willing to do? Yes or no? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.